Hello again, we're back. So we just boarded the plane and we're flying from Gatwick North Terminal to Paphos. And we're going on an EasyJet flight, as you can see out the window there. Now the flight is normally, if you've been before, around about 4 to 5 hours. I think it's quicker going than it is coming back. So this one, I think it was 4.5 hours. Sometimes, depending on the wind direction and so forth, it can take under 4 hours. But it's not a bad flight. This one, we were using an EasyJet, as I say, and it was a little bit cramped. But as I say, it's only for 4 hours, and you can get up and move around. So that's us. We've done the flight. We've gone through arrivals, passport control, and now we're just waiting for the baggage reclaim. Now, as anyone's ever done this, it can take a while to get all the baggage loaded on. It's not the biggest airport, Paphos, but I think it has about two baggage reclaim carousels from the various airports in the UK and over Europe, obviously. Now, as I say, we were going from Gatwick to Paphos, and then we were going to the Atlantica Mare Hotel. Now, I will be doing some videos of the hotel in this series. It's going to be the whole trip that we did. It was a 10-day holiday, so we recorded most of it. Still not got the baggage yet, but it's coming round, I'm sure. So once we got all the baggage, you then go and pick up the coach. It's normally waiting outside. In this case it was a little minibus, and I think the Atlantica Mare was around about 30 minutes from the airport, so it's not too far. It was going to make a couple of other stops, I believe, on the way, but it wasn't too long. Now, we had a little TUI rep at the front of the coach who explained how long it would take and in which order it would be stopping at the hotels. I think we were about the third stop. So in the meantime, we were told to sort of download our TUI app if you hadn't already done it, put it onto your phone, and then you'd have all the information you required. Now, as I say, it was around about 30 minutes, which was just as well really, because after a day's travelling you don't really want to be spending too long on a coach. You just want to get to the hotel, get checked in and start your holiday. Anyway, as I say, this is a video in a series that we're going to be doing on our trip to Paphos. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.